Sup. This guide will teach you how to install almost any Adobe app on x64 or Apple Silicon architecture. I do this guide because I switched from Windows to macOS on Apple Silicon. I needed to work in Photoshop and I started searching information how to install crack Photoshop which using Apple Silicon architecture, not Intel 64. But at the end of the day I realized Photoshop for ARM architecture not crackable now. So this guide will teach you how to install almost any crack Adobe apps for architecture 64 on Apple Silicon or Intel. First, go to site Adobe Zii in description. There will be text, which app you can install and what version is compatible. If all fits, open terminal. Type in console, xcode-select install. All information used in video will be in comments. I already do this. Next, download file from GitHub using this command. Done. You download installer for almost any Adobe apps. Don't open it yet. Second, find file on Google Drive in comments and download archive. Extract it. Install Creative Cloud. I already installed it, so why we installing Creative Cloud from this Chinese archive? Because we need outdated version for Adobe apps. Otherwise, Adobe app wouldn't install. Create a new account with 3 activated days for Adobe programs. This is important. This app needs for installation. Third, installed app which you preferred. When program asks you URL, type v4. If you're using M1, type yes. When a program asks you what program you want to install. In my case, I will be installing Photoshop. Find symbols of your program and type it in console. Then go to site Adobe Zii and search last version that supported this program. For Photoshop, this is 2.5.1. Type it. Then program asks you what language you want to use. I type English. There program asks you when you want to locate your download file and then starts the downloading program. After that, program will ask you want you to download more apps or no. I type no. Double click and install it. I click stop because I already installed it. After installation, go to programs and find your program with dot and app. In my case, it's Photoshop. Go to menu and turn Rosetta on. This is native app from Apple for run 64 programs on ARM. If you're using Intel Mac, skip turning on Rosetta. Fourth, open Adobe Zii. You can install it from site below, which I used to see versions, or from archive in my Google Drive. Open DMG, hold Ctrl and double click. Press enter. Open another DMG, which appears. After that you double click on Adobe Zii. When app opens, click patch. App will find your Adobe programs such as Premiere Pro or Photoshop and patch it. When app done, you can open your app. This is all. Enjoy. Thanks for listening. I will appreciate if you like the video and subscribe on my channel. If you get stuck with problem, write a comment, I will help. That is all. Goodbye.